你怎么摔跤了？
脱了，哦，又脱了，你看，
哎呦！过来这个。快点儿！
你看。
You ready to go to bed?
How much more of a circle can you be?
Super calm and give咪咪，哎。
My God.
What are you looking for? Get her. Come on, that's five. That's five. What are you doing? Don't.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Huh?
Oh.
People to evacuate in Georgetown with the San Gabriel River cascading more than 30 feet.
No. Soul joints and taste swap.
Chupando como loco. Estamos chupando como locos. De lujo con mi abuelo. Vino.
Hi, babies.
Nine! Damn.
说，这是交梨花。
Huh?
What are you doing?
Where we began to become.
What?
冒过大。
耳朵。I swear to God, this.
Empanadas.
Oh my god, what is that?
Huh?
Eu nem vi, não.
그리고 베르토트가 초대형 거인이야. 그리고 네가 좋아하는 애기도 여서는 거인이야.
If the earth was flat, don't you think cats sort of are?
아미에 아미미에
Bro, I got my cat a little window hammock. She likes bird watching, and she's loving this stupid little thing. She's so cute.
She's happy. Look, she's happy.
No.
这仨精力太旺盛了。哎呦！
everyone. Today I'd like to share a heartwarming story titled, Ben and His New Friend. If you enjoy this video, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. And if it's not your thing, feel free to skip it. Thanks so much for being here. Now, let's begin the story. It was a bright and sunny morning when Ben, my fluffy little dog, woke up with his tail wagging wildly. The warm sunlight poured into the living room, and Ben stretched like a tiny lion before trotting to the front door. Something in the air felt different. He sniffed deeply, his little black nose twitching. From outside came a new scent, sweet, grassy, and a bit like cookies. Ben tilted his head, curious. Without waiting for me to open the door, he gave his best open up now bark. As soon as the door swung open, Ben darted into the yard. There, on the other side of the fence, stood a small golden puppy with floppy ears and the friendliest eyes Ben had ever seen. The puppy wagged his tail so fast, it was almost a blur. "Woof," he greeted cheerfully. Ben barked back, and just like that, the two were talking in their own doggy language. The golden puppy's name was Max, and he had just moved into the house next door. Ben could hardly contain his excitement. A new neighbor was exciting enough, but a dog neighbor? That was the best news he'd heard all year. The next day, Max's owner brought him over for a proper introduction. I opened the gate, and Ben ran to meet Max as if they had been friends forever. They sniffed noses, circled each other in a happy dance, and then bounded off into the grass. The two spent hours exploring the yard. Ben proudly showed Max his favorite spots: the shady tree where he liked to nap, the squeaky toy hidden under the porch, and the corner where the most interesting bugs lived. Max, in return, taught Ben a new game where they took turns chasing each other in big looping circles until they were dizzy. It didn't take long before their adventures went beyond the yard. On our daily walks, Ben and Max became inseparable, trotting side by side like tiny furry explorers. They sniffed every flower, chased every fluttering leaf, and greeted every human they met with wagging tails. One afternoon, we took them to the park for the first time together. The moment they saw the open field, they looked at each other as if to say, "Race you," and off they went. Max was fast, but Ben had surprising bursts of speed that made him a worthy competitor. The race ended in a tumble of fur and laughter, well, human laughter and doggy panting. They even worked as a team. When Max's ball rolled under a bench, Ben bravely crawled under to retrieve it, earning a grateful lick on the ear from his new friend. Weeks passed, and Ben and Max's friendship only grew stronger. Every morning, Ben would wait by the fence, ears perked, until Max appeared. If Max was still sleeping, Ben would bark softly as if calling, "Come on, it's playtime." Rainy days didn't stop them either. When the sky was gray, they played inside, chasing each other around furniture or curling up together for a nap. Ben, who had always been a little shy with other dogs, seemed more confident now. Max brought out his adventurous side, while Ben taught Max the art of patience, especially when waiting for treats. One evening, as the sun set in shades of pink and gold, I watched the two sitting side by side in the grass. Max's golden fur glowed in the fading light, and Ben's tail wagged lazily. They didn't need to run or play at that moment. They were simply enjoying each other's company. It was then I realized something beautiful. Friendships, whether between humans or dogs, don't need to be complicated. They grow from simple moments, sharing a toy, exploring the world together, or just sitting quietly side by side. Ben had found more than just a neighbor. He had found a friend who made each day brighter, each adventure more exciting, and each nap cozier. And as I watched them, I knew their bond was something special, the kind that would last for years to come. Ben and Max's friendship reminds us of the joy and growth that come from opening our hearts to new connections. In modern life, we often get caught up in routines, deadlines, and screens, forgetting how enriching it can be to welcome new people into our world. Like Ben, who was initially curious but quickly embraced Max, we can benefit from approaching others with openness and kindness. Friendships, whether with neighbors, colleagues, or even strangers, start with small gestures, a smile, a shared activity, or simply spending time together. In today's fast-paced society, nurturing such bonds can improve not only our emotional well-being, but also our resilience during challenging times. Max helped Ben discover more confidence and adventure, just as good friends encourage us to grow and step outside our comfort zones. The lesson is simple. don't hesitate to reach out. Make time for those you care about, and be willing to share your space, your time, and your attention. The best relationships often form when we least expect them, and their value can last a lifetime. Like Ben and Max sitting quietly at sunset, true companionship is not always about constant excitement. It's about being there for each other, rain or shine.